when you say IGP position, you don't even have to have any security knowledge. I'm saying we can lead the way.
Social media, you see, some of these politicians are very funny. The boys, let's move. We are heading to Ablekuma. Who you be safe? Who you mine? Gonna be your own.
Now MP before him. Now say you take care.
So that nonsense them for
sure on United Showbiz you say the natchez a superment any booming and an air coso. Bulldog ebedin komo efa eye Hawa Koomson the way you see a bono eye Ablekumano. Now we say Bulldog ebe fire Hawa Koomson because now man for be H the one or the pepper spray be echo. Enti na me dem say Bulldog ebe fire but the Bulldog eka ye no abusuya utimi hu say babia Ghana na akwa kodum ye pese nyina ye kabom na Bulldog H the one so we NDC ni na say the course no onsa e hyase de a enya wa fele papa because we panyini na say saadi na course no we involved there wo de ye kan obi a like only yansa wo sanipa kan o ka ho bi abusuya MC Yaa Yeboah ono so edin sebi todwa e fa de course no na de nipa na all fire no eye Malik Basintale na o chire mu a wo the youth adi wachi say yen kɔ na mo nkɔ no so ntokwa e na mo kɔ akɔko say de o kan say yen kɔ na yen ntokwa de a ene ono so wa fire eye Malik Basintale na abusuya eye Olamike ono so edi nkomo e hɔ a na ono so e chire mu a de e course no on the ombremu obi a on ka bibia enchire obi a but Ghana youth no e na kyese ono de off fire omo because say youth na ma omo ho kwan a ankobi eyuzu omo emfa nkoye nkwasiade what you say na abusuya ha eye GHCOBBY media so mase so ba so a ani dem na wa subscribe to your channel no say ni update bia nso etomu a onso onsa ebeka bi na wa share ato other platforms so ede amaye enja abusuya ye ba endro de course so ewo ye United Showbiz so a kyese firemen and superment na ye bon crofo no abusuya Bulldog ekasaye efa de esiye ewo ye Hawa Koomson eho no abusuya yentie de eye Bulldog o ka efa eye Hawa Koomson situation na ekomu no yentie ewo this side emna ye wi a ye de eye MC Yaa Yeboah ono so de odi todwa ankasa na ye kwakotie ni nyina
example I'm not sure about the country nti obi wo ho a obetumi me ka country na nya na wa chere me yes I think it's somewhere in Singapore and not China na baby
okay
say you chill say why corruption are you bow to no
wow
China you bow to say no yeah
corruption
yes so one your theatre no person where corruption
oh to me
thank you that is our problem here we don't punish people in fact I think say 6 or 7 years ago honorable what you call it Sam George Yabunu Yaya. Me tells you like this is a member of parliament. Oh, Yabunu free. So Ochina Obia yenchi Obia ye the report abomuko ye bibi ye nipakunu namene
yancheno.
There be omunam. Ebi nesisi ano. There are videos. Everybody in there can be identified. Yebeba nyame anya yadom ana oye yadom 3 years yebetina the same thing yenyo mushi.
So do you think
we should be serious with some of these things? That's the only time it will end. Na ebi mu ka say police for jina ho ne ade me say police for no mu enipa. The police was not put in place for them to come and die for us. It's police need jina ho na obetutu a obedwane.
Okay.
Yes. Now I don't know the only money a year of it. It's about time we reward people with their own saying deeds. And yet their cost and yet whether it's NDC or MPP and at the end and yet I mean like me tell you Mami no so could spray ni who's a boy we a boo and like why yeah at which point why what exactly Then what will bring this? What will bring this? Say me can say obi ejimi am be ka say me kasa nyi. You see, if you don't speak for people to provoke, or to hurt people, they should punish the people there. Yes.
Spider-Man.
Yes.
Oh Jesus.
Look, it is very, very bad.
Jesus.
Hey. Guy will cry so a goalkeeper. Shred ye wo na go a goalkeeper and go beboa. Eh. Oh. No.
Oh, radio bi mami.
No.
Oh.
No.
Mami ni be bra.
No. Ni omo bu obi wo sa hwe. Yeah, why? Yeah, guy be.
Jesus.
Oh, Charlie, no.
Oh, police in Jino.
No. Mami sure. No, it's bad.
Who share video now?
It's bad. It's very, very bad. Very, very bad. How?
Oh Jesus.
How? And you see, we take a lot of things in this country for granted. What we call a Palestine and Philistine, baby, and friend, whatever, Israel, baby. Look, it is wrong.
President.
It's not about telling the president. They are seeing it. I don't have to tell the president this. He follows some of these things keenly than myself. What did they make us in for? They all represented president, you know. Oh, the member of parliament is there. Police for now say omu ye adwuma no omo
na nkofo na yes and omo to aba constituency one.
But you see, I know the yi enu fringe me blame obi a enfi ho no.
Okay.
Me ka say onu ankasa na okwakope onu a na ewu no ewu. Because who baby and we feel about baby they say, you know, but Obeka say we went there to support our person. And there's nothing wrong to go anywhere and go and support anybody. Ebia menye yi aname ye dwuma bi mu ba be sramechi anama wo na mu ba be name bibi anything. Maybe I'm engaged in an election and mu ba be supporting me. Should you come and meet violence? No. This is bad, very, very bad. And I know say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama oni young papa IGP His Excellency you know be the right thing. You know the videos are the way me case investigation I mean tia say then investigation omo hwehwe ni omo me bo a ni omo na enu anye
nto omo hwe no
enu anye they can everybody there they can identify.
Okay.
There are police people there, there are own people there. So every who the cause violence, they should use their people to get these people.
Okay.
It's sad. Like we should move away from some of these things. And small things say goes out of hand. Me no kasi say boku enye easy wo. I mean what then you see aye buy no me no work ba me no work ya. Me ti ase o then na e di buy na then e di ko. Who say you can say oh yamfa hweamba yamfa hwenko it's enukra eyentro ye di bibi ko uba no na wo adaka mu na wo bae thank you wo ko no so onya adaka na wo di ko wo bae na wo hwe bibi owo no ko no ya agbobo no ko akpo yen lipo ke ni bi wig no ko ke no ko ya no me ni jino ni bona den ni e hwehwe den na ye hwehwe o wi ase. It's very, very sad, and the only way this thing will stop, police want to look, identify all of them. The only way this thing will stop is
so why were they going straight to the woman?
Yeah, I mean, even the police were scared to the they were running for their own lives. No, this should stop. This should stop. This should stop. This should stop. Look, should stop. You know, and I think say me who another interview be yeah mami honorable Hannah yes she spoke well but do baby no say asem no or see a DBI any dance or no the own Matia say we nipa. Wow, we nipa. But where she sits, you see sometimes make out and I make out where she sits there are a lot of people under her, our constituents. You know what she buying ejuma. Me tira enya buying ejuma na me ye. Me ye ma ejuma. Until I can be forgiven. Say me beautiful na me I can be forgiven. But Nyankopon peja osisia ko share baby a. You have to recognize where you are. What did they can say? Yes, she condemned the violence and everything. Then she brought her personal. Yes, Obi Bekai. Straight away she could have just said, "Oh, I don't want to talk about it." But to now go and say, oh, me nya pity. Charlie, at the end of the day, ye nipa o. Ye nipa o. Ye try ni na red neighbor o. Yes, ye nipa. Ye nipa. There's a reason why. You see, a nipa ofie, well, a nipa ofie be fa bibi. Only right se obebu no. Only right. Inti e bia wada, oba be fan so downstairs. No ba ewo no go kenya. He money e king machine one ya. Keje na ka che police na ba mole ka tey. Cause oba on bebu. Okay. What den wa ba be wia. Into watch na. Wo dey police. Yeah, yes. Police can be been there cause some them police need any rights or bebu. Nobody has any right to beat anybody. Oba kra wa wo need rights or bebu no. Oba. What is the can say? So I mean, when we get to this level, or we at some level, baby, yes, you are a government official. What you say? Yes, she condemned. I like the way she condemned the violence, but then I don't feel sympathy. We nipa. The course in the HL is very bad, very very bad. So I'm hoping say, Papa baby, or he will call the right people to do what they need to do, investigate what really happened, and these people should be dealt with. Everybody that was in there should be dealt with. And I'm saying we can lead the way. But do you know Dubai? Who said Dubai? Yeah, 50 years ago, Dubai was just sand.
Yes, and
it took somebody who thought differently. See, the American
meeting.
Patrol, SWAL government nearby no. Oh, no. No, some be boat BB. Yeah. Thank you. Design the omoye and kosi baby. But it took somebody who's a genius and saw that no. So they were draw trying to born no. Yeah, the BB say very nice. Water BB. But that's what I'm saying. We cannot continue in 2025. Dang. Protect which ballot? For who?
For who?
What are you going to get? What are you going to gain? You can't fool
Empress. And some kind and then the social media, you see, some of these politicians are very funny. Because social media and some of it, where are the boys? Let's move. We are heading to Ablekuma. Who you be safe? Who you whine? Gonna be your own.
Empress, which man say?
Prophet, maybe is see ananka waka. Ghana you obi ade. Ghana. Ghana. Enye political party A and enye political party B dia. So that nonsense them for sure. Science, no Empress, it's so bad because it's so bad because Sanya mana ye tweeting nkasa bia ye ka ye de shenko fokutupa ade na wo fa wabusuafo wo yire no mpenanom no side chicks enko protect ballot. Where are they? You recruit someone's husband, someone's child, someone's breadwinner to go there and Charlie, sifim Empress ye bo President Mahama Abasu say enye bebre wo hono ma wo ya esesa asemtia MPP for NDC for campaign na da so pa eya ade aye ka say we are resetting the system
to reset hono
eba ne say ne o mampani adadwene ne na kuma mu asema wonya ya obeka ye to Ghana for akuma so a Ghana for eto abama no eye den na ne nkrofo a wonu omu ye adwuma no omu ko against that thing for their own campaign Aden yes we will not sit here and be hypocrites say maybe a twemu na si ye na no de eye enfanko anke ba ha asema ye kan saa na ebeka esi kodon penso anya esi wa ya penso anu nche say ye den eye
so we should
ye be say ye pamacho ye politicians no wo bi wo ho no ma sabio yen na mo sum yen na sabi ye di aba taxpayers money say na romo can edit amoka enti ye be say mo ma mo kasa ho nti simpie bia mo be gina so ye advocate for vote and whatever no ye ma ye kasa ho nti and I'm a one technique cafe me who for use so mo be through social media you so am be say you hacking the account sir exactly cowards one catch us and obi na fine or post here crowd over there defending
cowards
so please, that social media platforms that we are using to retweet those things and instigating that violence and praising people who are indulging in this violent act and you come yes
the air cost na Bulldog any MC Yaa Yeboah and almost no more boss of payment by say utie the MC Yaa Yeboah na all kana na say boys no omo ndwini o utie the MC Yaa Yeboah all kana obi obeka say yenhia na yenkoko ntokwa yenhia na yenkose wei adenti na omo mfom busuafo ene omo krofo what you say na da bia obi oteni ba bi na akwakofa no nso se de oped kakra obedi enti no onu di akire na se wo ge ana wo wife bi a wo dona fani di akire na wona na eden enkose ho what you say na busua after say we nso ekoso wo no na ye olamike nso edi nsem bi eto dwa ono nso na o kire mu a ono de ombremu obia youth no na omama kwan a chese ye yusu omo eye nkwase adwuma abusua yentie de eye olamike onso odi to dwa
you need to
the person besides one more kono omo ya police for there be eti why na employ one more to nya
political parties na na de nkrofo no ba
tade na omo employ so omo pe obi abomo ba na no ko police enko siki ko police ko ka so okay e bia me ya bambofo mienu miensa e wo mi fie say dia me ko bebi o metumi edi mechi because macho man na wa kofa no person besides say aba na be chia ne kana nipa ko na chia
ne nipa na say nipa no bia o aban mu ana o political figure and you no na say don't forget you see kana no dey say adwuma no I mean taxpayers money na no dey so on politician oni onye adwuma bia won chen you see kana no dey tu omoka what you say enti no ade we no say ma ye ni ambe a ebedu ba bi no ebe hu bu ayehu.
And you see, we cannot sit here and be hypocritical. Mpacho, the only reason why we are here and we can do what we are doing,
because we have freedom.
Mpacho, share the AC Dabia. Na me needs show no so there. Yadi be here wa.
Yeah,
yes. I mean, you there's no wheelchair at the end. No way. I mean, you can't say it anyhow. Mpacho, let us be serious. You see. Ye me kasa no me ka nkofo enti kasa na se o se na me ka no no mbefa no because mpacho se nyansa wo ho pa se nyansa wo ho pa nko ye de wo ye no I'm telling you because you are sowing seeds that you cannot fruits you can't bear the fruits that the seeds
you can't even reap it
to me and there be na make look 5-year-olds, 6-year-olds who they call regional mukung tokwa war. They be even there. They are sharp. They don't know where the next meal is coming from. And yet easy. You don't want that in your life. Who there? You ever say who do bika kra? Say na ofil. Who da kra unda? Who do bika o?
What is so about?
Yeah.
The call crowd to me my BP.
What is Jamaica? So Charlie, let us fight and protect the peace that we have. Ye need to say party ni no ya de na nya. Yenka. Week we are me nim say mo video bi. Yen party Greater Accra Region Chairman. Yes, only Singaporean be here up and down. Yes, and yet some of us are in front of it. Yeah, it's not saying MPP for and CPP for Becca. We have to sanitize the party. We didn't fight for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to come into power for these people to come and misbehave. We will not allow it. Then why did we fight? Papa na oti akonuane mu. O hwe ne Shanu. Grace. Shanu. So no arrogance will be allowed. No, yes. So anybody who's doing anything, opa me juma mami. Nyankopon na ehwe nipa. Me catch Isaac say, ye ni onya na dade bia o. Onkun ye, onyankun ye. Ye time do obemia ye ko ne ewu. O kala kashi gan wo. That le because just obi ala mi no ba ye wache, wo ba ye. Ka wana no ko wo ye wonye mi wonu no ya. Nti den mini woke bajele mi ni woke ya mini e den ye pe Charlie peace of mind enye izo peace ni cry wo cry yen to me down to me how that crowd 30 minutes now when you at it peace really no what dream cry ma you see they I see a peace of mind but what we really need is peace from mind what dream ma peace
your progress no I know bibi say e bla ye huni nti se to da na se obi ka se o Ghana de e ba na election peaceful because omuni ha I will say de I ka say abrofo no ba bi ti say America say a de hu form hu nyina ye enomapa but bone so koso opa omo nte Ghana ha no omo no wo akire no omo hu Ghana say a very peaceful country but ya team no enye peaceful say enye safe sir because any people be out of election omo hwere omo nkwa amfa so bia maso yanti ho asem bia see Ghana koyo man bia asemba na wotwe no ye beka ne saa na wotwe ni twempe
3 days na wotwe do 3 days
ye nkai biem wahwe week bia wo de trend wo Ghana
and American
nti we say ye kikan from Monday bon se bi fufu ba be boom na election de ne nkai biem ti eba sa na it is so hard to find solutions we are yekan we do say from Monday bi fufu beba na ya tension na sa ko na we na esi ye no ni we free nti sa na oman no ni grow no akoye you see ade e betumi a stop sa violence we say ye best stop macho men say political party bia say o me come macho men I mean me brede just to look good me dress here metna hai me purpose am dey ade we here to be fit to look good what you say but say obi so a macho man okọ gym ye beto aba na ya fa ne so the MP achi the honorable achi the candidate achi
ti eja macho man
na obi jimia sebio confront ni pa no na say omo ya san minim say na omo so sebi omo nwene dey I don't know because a lot of such people no and ahwe omo nkwa ene ya make say bebre aweje omo ma political party bi ani ho a ohwesa nkwala no minim sika ye de ma.
What makes a city?
Endro ade esiye nanka obi betumi awu na busuafo asua na sabio amfanfa so bi amra busua no na wawu nkwasi awuo ni asie no nkwasi awuo e kan se nkwasi asie ni aye nkwasi ayi ama no because fa so bi ani ni funu no so because ade na wo ye no wa utimu say e dangerous obetumi awu office o ye macho and as office bi abansere bo sisi mo wa ben but don't forget say okoji aduro no obi ho so meaning say sa nipa no de aduro man wa ben asen wo ebi awo ye twitwa wo
ejabusu ache wadwe mami e wo comment section wo wie nso ani de mu na wa subscribe to your channel no send update bia nso etoma onso owenya bi enti na wa share ato other platforms so e de amaye abusu akete wo se enye dodo nwenwu amakra bye bye.